Alright, yo, we're back. Fucking, where did we eat again?
30 birds.
30 birds? Fucking service was trash.
For some reason. It's usually pretty good over there.
Yeah, I'm surprised there was only one chick.
That was my first experience and it was awful. Food was good though.
Yeah, the wings are good.
The wings were good. But like, the lady didn't help us for like 45 minutes, dude. Like, at least 45 minutes. Had no
Maybe
help.
she didn't like bikers.
That's what I think too.
Didn't
Or
like
not
bikers.
even like
Maybe-
the typical
maybe-
bikers.
Maybe that was her boyfriend there, and yeah, the bald-headed Sportster guy.
Oh yeah.
And he texted her, these fucking Indian guys are, if you see them come in, don't serve them.
Don't fucking serve them.
Don't fucking serve their ass.
Oh, look at that dog. He's cute. Okay, are you
Ready?
getting on?
Yes, I'm ready. Need to get gas. Oh.
Get the fuck away from the beach, dog. It's cold.
I know, look.
We should go out again with Jack this time.
Huh?
What, drinking?
Yeah, drinking.
Oh, where we got an Uber? So because we can't get home on our own?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I feel like I'm a fun drunk. I'm not psychotic. Luckily.
I mean, I guess.
Toxic.
I did have to undress you.
I mean, that
Okay, that wasn't drunk. That was fucking. Okay. Okay. I was gone. That wasn't a human being anymore.
yeah.
Tag on mine just cause. Cancel. Hello? Cancel.
Yelling cancel right now.
I know. Cancel. Cancel. Can you guys still hear me or no? Wait, were you guys able to hear me?
No.
Oh. Dude, she
we
didn't.
already know, that's why.
Get used to it.
She didn't hear me. I was like, cancel, cancel. I just say it like 3 times, dude.
Keep going? Okay. I don't understand.
Say a command. Say a command. Cancel, cancel.
We'll just fill up over in,
By your house?
by my house, yeah, in Shell.
Are you making it?
Is it all left here? Or?
Let's take a left. Oh, there's another bike. Too late now.
Oh, wait, is this a left lane also? Easy clap.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Let's take it. We'll go into Shell. Or just like 10 cents more than all the other ones, but whatever.
Damn, this guy's not friendly, dude.
The bike.
Yeah, I tried to wave and he just like stayed looking straight. I was like, okay, toxic, dude. Boop, 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 boop. Should I fill up? Fuck it. I'm good, but I'll just fill up anyway.
Good amount of money.
That was like, it was just 1 gallon.
We're gonna turn around, yeah, this way. Alright.
Oh, Jesus.
Hi, hi. Do you want a receipt? Do you want a receipt?
Ow!
Me either. What am I gonna do with it?
Right? End up in my
Pick it up.
pocket. Your leg's still shaking, Abe?
No, it's good.
Oh, okay.
That's what happened to me when I first rode the bobber. My fucking left leg was like, whoa, 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 whoa.
I just probably need some food. Just kidding, I don't know.
You're just like...
You just got a lot of adrenaline built up. I was like, oh, it's warm. And then we started riding, and I'm like... Have you guys been to Canes?
No, we've been talking about it.
We saw your thing.
Whee! We're gonna go.
Should go, yeah.
We have to go one of these days. It's so good.
So what, like KFC or what?
Oh,
Yeah, what is
it's
it like?
I mean, it's just like chicken fingers, you know? But they're like so good. Like the chicken.
Really good chicken fingers. No, you motherfucker! God damn it!
It's really good, and they got like Texas toast. If you like coleslaw, you can get coleslaw, but I always substitute the coleslaw for an extra Texas toast. Because I don't like...
Yeah.
Yeah, it's fucking bomb. Oh, no, Jesus! Left side's fucked. We're racing, right?
Yeah.
No. I'm not. No. Don't hit me.
Alright, lean forward and hold on.
You guys are mean.
There's gonna be a cop over there, though.
Is there actually?
No. With my luck, there is.
Yeah.
Just kidding. I've never been pulled over in my life. Haha.
I haven't been pulled over either, so. First time for everything, though.
Absolutely, dude. Today's the day.
Today's the day. What a lovely day.
Damn it.
You actually held on, baby?
I did.
Yeah. I wasn't gonna take off.
I know, but
Just in case.
yeah.
I saw him take off. I'm like, oh, I
know how you are. I held on. Gonna get in trouble.
Green soon, then yeah, we're fucking taking off again, boy. Let's go. Left here, yeah?
Yeah, left here.
Huh?
That's so scary.
We're only going like 80 or something like that.
Huh?
We're only going like 80.
Yeah, I know, but
We were going 80? It didn't feel like it.
I think it didn't feel like.
Alright, everybody, so yeah, just went to PB, nothing much, just went over to a friend's house and we're just chilling. But yeah, that's one of the buddies who has a Harley, but he needs to get it fixed up, and we're trying to encourage him to go do that, you know. But yeah, so other than that, thank you guys for watching, appreciate it. Yeah, it's freaking cold, so I'm gonna head home, and yeah. I guess since it's nighttime, if anybody was curious, so this is the I forget what it's like, the Fun Love or something light, and it's like the halo light. If you haven't seen the pictures on my Instagram, go shoot me the follow. It's Jackboy Official on Instagram. I mean, this is without the brights on. That's the brights. The brights don't do much, but I mean, it's a pretty bright headlight, so it's pretty solid. The halo looks fucking sick. I like it a lot. $60, so I mean, if you want a good cheap headlight, highly recommend. It's fucking solid. So okay, so look at this. It's like there's like no street lights really. There's a light there, you know. It's like boom, 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 boom. Brights on, brights off. So it's like the slightest little bit extra for further. I mean, yeah, it's yeah, thanks guys for watching, appreciate it. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and definitely subscribe for some more content. We'll definitely be doing more adventurous stuff soon. I know it's just like, oh, one little thing here or there, but yeah, once we get the freaking squad going, shit's gonna, we're just going, we're climbing the mountain, you know. Things are just gonna keep getting better. So appreciate any feedback and everything. Definitely appreciate that. Let me know in the comments, and yeah, take care.